There is no such thing as Wahhabism. This is a term that's been made up. There was a scholar named Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab. And he was a scholar from the scholars of Islam. And he brought a change in the Arabian society. But he didn't bring anything new. Like this is a excuse people use to reject the truth. So when you bring the proof from the Quran and authentic ahadith, they say Wahhabism. There is no such thing as Wahhabi. This is just a made up term. The real da'wah of Islam has been the same since the time of the Prophet ﷺ, and great scholars were mujaddideen, and there would be a mujaddid, they would revive the da'wah. In the earlier time we see the Sahaba radiyallahu anhum revive the da'wah. When fitna happened, Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, he stood firm. In the next generation, then we saw Imam Ahmad in the Mihna standing up as Imam Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah. And then you saw every generation we had somebody who would defend Islam. In the time of Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab, when a lot of shirk had spread, he stood up for the truth. May Allah reward him for it. But he didn't bring like a new madhab or a new creed. He just stuck to what the Salaf of this ummah were upon.